Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys coming back to join me on this new ride I'm going to do for you today. It's going to be the strut tower brace. I did tell you last video that I want to get it painted. I did get it painted and I'm going to show you how it looks. It came out great. I think I made a good choice because my car is white. I have the white intake already, so adding that extra white bar there would not not only add performance to it as far as the stability and the chassis, but also look like it belongs in a car show. So you guys ready? This is the final touch. So again, Mustang GT, left this part the way it was, but everything else is gloss white. Color code matching to my car, same with my intake, so it is going to look beautiful here once I get it connected and installed. So hang on tight. Let's see how I do this, and it should take no longer than maybe an hour. But you know, if I can do, like I said, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. So if I mess up, obviously you guys can see how not to do as well. So you can learn what not to do as well. But let's get right to it and let's install this back. All right, so I failed to get the other two. So I was assuming that there was already existing bolts as well on this side. So just gonna have to catch you guys tomorrow. Quick and easy, gonna get the bolts. But the other side is complete. Show you guys. So pretty much, like I said, remove this little clip here to put this out of the way. Take the bolts out, pop it right in. And it's tightly bolted in, does not move. I just need to do that to the other side. Fortunately, I'm not gonna drive this car, so I'm not at risk to any damages, but so far it looks amazing. Look at that, show car now, under the bay, so engine bay, under the hood, right? So I know I could have gotten the extra piece here for the support, which I am going to be doing still. Comment, should I get that in white or should I get that in black? So just so you guys know, it's going to be the extension performance part. So it'll replace this here. It'll be gloss black all around there. Or should I get that in white as well? Is that too much white, you think? I didn't realize I needed that right away, but I think I can survive without it. But this is how she is now, guys. It looks fabulous, right? Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I'm in love. It's gonna be it's just under $200. Makes a big difference in you know, drivability, I said before, and appearance. And so I would suggest for you guys that don't have a supercharger, first off, and it has, I don't know, I think I might keep the the engine cover there. I kind of like it. I know some people have it off. It looks more kind of aggressive maybe, but for me it looks cool. Maybe you guys tell me, should I remove it, keep it? Comment below. Love to interact with you guys and as I go modify my Coyote. So yep, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow real quick. Get these two bolts bolted on. I'm not gonna drive this car, just move it around, park it, but tomorrow I will grab that, bolt it on, and then this would be complete. Again, stay tuned. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, day 2. Got the bolts from Lowe's. Dollar cost for it, and now I'm gonna put, it's automotive bolts, same ones, but I'm going to be putting in now, and that should do the trick. Okay. Okay, well, all done, guys. Thanks for watching again. I love the way it looks. And again, easy install. I think it matches the car great. And we'll see what we can do next. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.